Welcome to Crown Vic Auto, the channel where we search police cars for goodies and that golden biscuit. Check out the lot. This is what I'm working with. A lot of cars, little time. Thank you for joining the quest to find a biscuit. Should we get started? Funny, earlier some guy said, "You have too many Crown Vics." I said, "There's no such thing as too many Crown Vics." Come here, kitty. Just want to pet you. Searching through these cars, they gotta wake up the funny man, because it's way past 12 and it's time for him to get to work. Wake up. Wake up, funny man. Come on, let's go. What the? Dude, what the hell? Wake up. What's this? Judith? You're not Judith. What are you abusing?
No,
Hey.
no. Get it.
It's past 12. It's time for you to get on security patrol. Come on, let's go. Man, that yellow pill-shaped man sure has gone lazy. Hey.
Banana.
Look at this thing. It's an undercover taxi. You want to know how I know it's undercover? For one, it was at the government fleet auction. And it's got some type of radio here. Motorola VRM 600. I'm going to include this in the mystery boxes. Here we go. Please be a biscuit. I like my biscuit nice and fluffy. What the heck is this? Red Z fluid control solidifier. It's like salt. Taste it real quick. Tastes like soap. Okay, looks like somebody's glasses, a syringe. Oh, there's a needle in there. Let me go put on my gloves. This is gonna get dangerous. All right, got my gloves on. Oh, check out what I pulled out of the car earlier. It's a Wheeling siren speaker, but attached there is a strobe power supply and a flasher. It says 7XX flasher. I'm gonna post this on my store. Super sock ammo, cool. Junkyard boy is still gonna get shot with this. I just haven't been able to get the landlord's shotgun. Serial interface module. Don't know what this does. Wanted for 459 PC first degree. Don't know what that is, but that is a face only a mother could love. Passive ballast light, gun holster, nice spotlights. Oh, those are super shiny. These are super nice. Look at this thing I found. Looks like a DJ thing. Yo, Crown Vic Auto music video coming soon. All right, let's search. All right, moving on to the trunk. Master key. Shh, don't tell nobody. Oh, hell yeah. Cool. With the holder. Nice. Cool. Another tough book. Push. If I open this, oh, there it goes. Well, this is a nice one. Something I can give away. Tough book giveaway. I don't know if this has a hard drive or not. I don't know if it works or not. Obviously, they left it behind because it probably doesn't work. All right, so if you want to win this tough book right here, you have to like the video and comment tough book. I don't care if you spam. The more times you comment tough book, the more chances you have of getting picked by the computer. All right, moving on. Let's look in here. What the heck? A freaking hose. A hippo. Okay, let's check out this 99. Okay. It's 1999. Kenwood radios, his and hers. See if they turn on. Nope, they're dead. It's got the little mics on here too. I'll probably throw these into mystery boxes or something. Cannot access trunk. Wow, this looks good. Let's start here. Wheeling covers to something. Siren speaker. Okay, recorder. Some sort. Oh, what's in here? Oh man, this could be good. This could be good. Vivu looks like an older body cam. Oh, this is one of those office golf thingies, you know, just it's like a jacket. It looks brand new. Oh, XL tactical wear jackets, 511. Dude, this is freaking awesome. This is brand freaking new. California Fish and Game. Oh, that's probably what this cart was from. A fishing game kind of guy. Let's see what else is in here. A knife holder. Country music. Contacts and stuff. Vietnam Veterans of California. Oh, this has all the guys' contact information. You know what? I'm gonna call him right now. Hello, my name is Rick, the Cop Car Explorer. I have something important of yours. If you want it back, I'm gonna need your cooperation. Call me back at exactly 8 p.m. tonight at 916. Goodbye. Finally. There's something in there and it's pretty heavy. This could be the biscuit we've been looking for. Desperate times calls for desperate measures. Help it. What? Cutting kit? A beanie? Oh wait. What's this? What's this? No way. Orion. Oh, it's a taser revolver. Oh no, no. Launchers extremely flammable. Oh crap, this is a flare gun. So I'm guessing you do this and that, then okay. Funny man volunteered to get shot by a flare. Woo! Sweet mother. Cool. So now we're gonna see if a flare will break a window. Nothing. Funny man is watching TV, slacking off on the job. He should be working right now. So I gotta get him. Woo! Yeah, it is. That's pretty bright. That was kind of loud too, huh?